Hello, Dees. Today I'm going to solve with you ICT past paper May June 2024 variant 32 web page. Let's start. Go to task 3 to solve file management before answering the web page. Okay. So in task 3, create a new folder called J32 and locate the following files and set them inside this particular folder. Once you start to answer paper 2 or paper 3, you are supposed to create a folder to set all of your source files plus your working files inside it. I prefer to add it in the drive C or drive D, or you can also set them in the desktop, okay? For me, it's better to add them in the drive C or drive D, as the path for this particular drive is short. So it will help you once, it will make short path in case if you want to add the path of the file in the header or footer, so it will not be long. Okay, so here I'm going in the drive C. I am going to create a new folder. I will name it work area. You can set any name. Inside the work area here, they asked me to create this particular folder, which is J32. Inside J32, they asked me to add this particular files. Okay, so open your source files. Okay, then copy the banner image, the contact, press Control key and keep holding Control key. The video, the text, the CSS, the image, JPG, what, HTML. Okay, how many files? 8. So still I need what? A logo. Control C, then paste them here. Control V. Okay. Display the content of the folder, showing the folder name, file names, file extensions, file size, image dimensions, frame height, frame width for the video. How to display these details? First of all, with the file extension, let's start with the file extension. We are here, okay? Like the file extension here is the file extension. Can you see here? The file extension here is visible. You know, the extension for this particular file JPG, the extension for this particular file HTML. What if if they are not visible? How to display them? Simply, you can go to the tabs inside any folder. Go to the View tab. Go to the Options. Then change folder and search. Okay. Then go to the View tab. Make sure to remove the tick from hide extension for non-file types, because I want to display the extensions. By default, it is selected. So make sure to remove the tick from this text box. Okay. Then after that, you need also to go to the view and make sure to display the contents in the details, because details will give you the size, the dimensions, frame height, or frame width. But what if I don't find, I don't have the dimensions or the other stuff here? Simply, you can right click up here. Okay, in the heading part, and then if you see, I have the dimensions, frame height and frame width, but if they are not here, you can go to more and just add them from here. You know, dimension, you will find it here. They are in order. Okay, they are alphabetical order. So D here. Okay, dimensions, you will find them here. Already I added it. So dimension should be here, but already I added. Also, the frame height and frame width will be here. Okay. In case if they are not here, you can just tick them and you will add them. Okay. Then after that, I have to take screenshot. How to add screenshot? Using snipping tool. So open snipping tool, then a new. Okay. Then take screenshot for this particular part. So the file name is visible, plus the name of the file, plus the dimension, size, frame height, frame width, where you have to add them. Okay, you have to open to add them in the evidence file, but I didn't start from the beginning of the paper, so I'm going to open Word file and just I will consider it as evidence document. Okay. Okay, we are in the question 12. So here, question 12. Then just paste your screenshot. Then just minimize. Go to the web page. You will create a web page to help raise the awareness of giraffe conservation. Create a web page called J32 HTML. This is the name of my web page, and save it in the folder J32 folder. So my website or the files of my website are inside this particular folder. Okay. So I'm going to open my expression web. I'm going to use it to create my website. So you have to go to here, open site, refer where is your folder. This is my folder. Just open it, then it will show you all of your files. The file that I need to create it is web HTML. Okay, so right click here, then new HTML, set the name of the file, then enter. Confirm rename. Yes, I will confirm, and the name is web.html. Then open it. Later, they will ask me to create the table. The table must fit 75% of the browser. So it's not 100% of the browser. It will not cover all the browser, all the width of the browser. It will take only 75% of this browser. Plus, let's check how many rows we have in this table. We have, this is the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 rows. How many columns I have? First column, second columns. Okay, some of them merged, but it doesn't matter. Means I have some columns here merged, I have 2 columns merged, I have 2 columns merged, I have 3 rows merged here in one cell. But in general, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 2 columns. Let's add them. See, I prefer to split my window into 2 partitions. The first partition for the code, the second partition to display my work. You can display the design from here, so the whole design will be here, or you can display only the code by click over the code tab. But for me, I prefer to add the design and split my window into 2 parts. One for the design here, the down, the lower part, and the upper part for the code. Anyhow, go to the table, insert table. How many rows we said? We said 5 rows. How many columns? 2. Don't forget to adjust the width to be in percent, and it is 75%, right? 75%. Make sure you select the in percent, and it says 75, 5 rows, 2 columns, and that's it. You can see here it added the table. Okay, and I have, this is a table. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Table row. Each one means 1 row. Okay, in each row I have 2 cells. TD, table data, means 2 cells. Okay, and it's true, I have 5 rows. Okay, 5 rows, sorry, 5 rows. In each row I have 2 cells. In each row I have 2 cells. Okay, then after that you have to see in the first row and last row I merged the 2 cells. In the first and last row we merged. So go back here, highlight the 2 cells in the first row, right click, go to modify, merge cells. Same for the last row, highlight the 2 cells, right click, modify, then merge cells. What else? Here inside this cells I merged the 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows merged in the second row. Sorry, here the second, third, and fourth merged. Right click, modify, merge cells. So yeah, this is what we want. So finish from this particular step. Table border must appear on the final web page. Okay, we will adjust them. Each table cell is identified by letter. Don't make them visible on the final web page. Okay. Set the title of the web page to giraffe conservation. Copy. How to add title for the web page? You know the title always will be in the head section. So the title will be here inside the head section. How to add the title here from the design section? Right click anywhere here, then go to the page properties. Here in the general tab, just add the title. Once you click OK, it will add the title in the head section. You can see here in the head section, they added the title. They added the tags for the title, and the title is giraffe conservation. So done for this particular point. Place in the cell A the image banner. Inside the cell A, the image banner. Inside the cell A here, the image banner. This is the banner. You can just make it to preview, then drag and drop. What is the alternate text? It is banner. And that's it. We added the banner. Then in the cell B here, video. Okay, so and the name of the video, J32 feed MP4. Okay, so that it fits the width of this cell, means we need like to adjust the width of the video to be 100%, so it will fit the width of this cell. This video must show the controls and play automatically when the web page opens. Display an automated text based error message if the browser doesn't support this video. So yeah, once I add the video, I prefer to add it in the code. The only thing that I prefer to add it in the code section, not in the design section, in the code section, not in the design section, is a video, because there are some items I cannot add them by, yeah, I can go to insert media, but I cannot cover all the points that they asked it in the past paper. So for the video only, I prefer to add it through the code, and it is very simple, don't worry. Once you set the mouse, you have to set the mouse where you want to add the video. Here I need to add the video, so they will highlight the part, the cell, the TD, the table data, means the cell where you highlighted. Here I want to add the video. Then you have to add the tag of video, video. Okay, then after that you have to add the width. They said the width should fit the cell, so equal to 100% of the cell. Then just close, before closing the tag, I have to add controls. What is they asked? They asked show the controls and play automatically when the web page opens. How to add this particular point? You have, before closing the controls here, you have to write autoplay, and it is muted. Auto play, and it is muted. Then you can close it, so they will close the tag for the video. Means here the opening tag for the video. Okay, here I open the tag. Okay, for the video, here they automatically add the closing tag for the video. I adjusted the width for the video to be 100% of the cell. I added controls and set autoplay and muted. Means once you display the image, the web page, the video will start to run automatically. What else you need to add? You need to add the name of the video from source src. What else you need to add? The source, means the name of the video. src equal the name of the video. Okay, and its type. Its type is video /mp4. Okay, then close the source. The last thing is the message, in case your browser doesn't support this video, so you have to write your browser. This message will appear only in case if your browser doesn't support this type of video. Okay, and that's it. We finish from adding the video. And then let's continue. In the cell C, what, the image what, and D, the image contact. So C what? This is the cell C. This is the cell C. Okay. What? What to do? Image. And that's it. The alternate text. Cell D here. Okay. Contact. The alternate text is contact us. Contact us image. Then okay. Now I have the cell E. On the cell E, enter the text web page edited by, copy, then a new line, enter your name, comma, space, center number, and candidate number. So we are going to the step 16, go to the cell E. This is the cell E here. You have to paste the text, then enter, then set your name, comma, space, center number, comma, candidate number. Set this text as H3. So highlight the whole text here in this particular cell, then go to here, make sure it is H1, right? They said H1. Sorry, H3, I'm sorry. H3, heading 3. They said set this text as H3. Go to the cell F and add the text from the file text. So inside F, you have to add the text from the text file. Okay, so go back. We are going to add the text here. Just have a look here, and this particular cell, we added web page, then we added enter. The enter is a break. Once you click, once you enter, press over the enter key, they will add BR, means break. Go to the next line. I'm going to the last cell here in the last row. I am going to open the text here. They will open it on a new tab, Control A to copy, to highlight, sorry, everything, then Control C, go to here, Control V. So this is the text. They didn't add any things. Attach the style sheet, which is web. Don't edit the style sheet. How to attach the style sheet? Go to here. You will find here a style sheet. I am not going to create a new styles. Attach a style sheet. You can attach the style sheet from here, or you can go to here. It is from format, then a style sheet, attach a style sheet. So it is from the format tab, go to CSS style, then attach a style sheet. They will ask you to browse where is your style sheet. It is already I copied it and paste it inside the folder J32. So this is my style sheet. Then okay, you can see here now they adjusted the colors and the formatting. Let's check what else they want. We already attached the style sheet. Make the image a link, as a link to open the web page what HTML in a new window called blank. Type how to add this particular part, the image what, in the cell C. We need, once we click over this image, it will open in this particular web page in a new window. So yeah, here. Here is the image. So just right click over the image to add hyperlink. We are going to add hyperlink. It's not email, it is existing file or web page, and it is inside my folder. So just refer where is your web page, that once you click over this link it will take you to this particular web page, because I said it will take you to the what.html. Then go to the target frame. They said it will open a new window, and the target is at blank. Okay, so it means once you click over this particular image, it will take you to the to another web page, and it will open in a new tab, in a new window. Then okay, you can see here we added hyperlink, href hyperlink, and it will take you to the this particular page, and target is blank. Make the image contact also link, but this particular time for email. Okay, and the email address is this one, and the subject is giraffe. Okay, so go to the other image, which is contact. Here, right click, hyperlink. This time you have to click over email, sorry. The email address is, I copied the email, and the subject is giraffe. Copy, and giraffe. Subject is giraffe. And that's it. Okay, what else? Save your web page. Take a copy of your HTML source and place this in your evidence document. Display web page in the browser. If necessary, resize it so all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read, and the address bar is fully visible. Let me save it and display it in the browser first. So save it. Then how to display it in the browser file? Then go to preview in browser, then select the browser. For example, I want to preview it in the Internet Explorer. So you can see like the video directly opened, automatically opened. You can see the borders are visible. Everything is visible here. Right, so once you click, let's check the also the title of the image is giraffe conservation. Once you click over this particular image, it will open the HTML page, the what.html, in a new tab. Step 20, save your web page. Take a copy of your HTML source and place it in your evidence document. So go to your HTML, highlight all the parts, Control A, then Control C to copy. Go to your evidence file. Okay, step number 20, Control V to paste your HTML. Okay, then display your web page in the browser. Already we displayed, you can see. Okay, just once you refresh your image, the web page, like the video, will work automatically. Okay, then how to take screenshot from these dots? Go to screenshot, then capture full page. Okay, then copy it, paste it in your evidence document, Control V. Okay, everything is visible. In case if you want also the title to be visible, you can simply go to the browser, then you can take screenshot, Shift and the window logo, then S, take screenshot for this particular part, then paste it here up. Okay, Control V. Yeah. It's fine. You can see here, like, the tab and, the title of the image and the address of my image. Okay. So, yeah, I think it's fully visible. Everything is fine. and we finish, take screenshot already, we finish. Then you have to print your evidence document. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.